In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Seat Reviver Cleaning Gel, which is our mildew stain remover, and the UV Shield and Neutralizer. It's best to use them when paired because this chemically neutralizes all bleach-based mildew stain removers, not just the Seat Reviver brand, but everything. And this will protect your stitching on your boat seats from any long-term damage and also add the UV protection and condition it. Before you use it, you're going to want to shake it up. You're going to take the top off, puncture a little hole in here, and then apply it like so. Take a glove and you will spread it on the surface. Now, there's two ways you can apply this. You can glove apply it, which is great for small jobs like this. It is a light gel, so it evaporates slower in sunlight, so it can actually get the job done. The other way to apply the cleaning gel is through a little pump sprayer like this. We'll use this when you need to apply very quickly, covering a large area. Just pump that up and you can spray it on really quickly like this, and you can cover a whole boat in less than 10 minutes that way. We'll let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll come back and rinse it off. Doesn't have to be completely dry, just get off all the excess water. Now it's ready for the neutralizer and the protectant. So the protectant will neutralize the residual cleaner that gets absorbed into the stitching and the vinyl, and it'll also add the UV protection from the sun. Now to do it, you'll just the same way. Make sure you get that into the stitching and the crevices. We have 2 pieces of black cotton here that we're going to lay down. One of them we're going to put the protectant on. So one of them has the protectant, this one does not. We're going to spray the Seat Reviver on it real quick just to demonstrate. Now if you come on in here, you're going to take a look at this side. This is already starting to turn red, whereas this one is black and retaining the color. So over time, over long-term use, it'll pop. You'll start to get foam popping out of the seat. That's no good. So make sure you neutralize your cleaner and add your UV protection after use every single time. Thanks for watching this how-to video and enjoy.